Today we're going to show you how to create and use a master template. Hello and welcome to another training session for Nutrition Maker software. My name is Doug and I'll be taking you through the training today. Knowing how to create and use master templates can save you a lot of time and effort. Essentially, a master template will allow you to provide meal plans, pre-made messages, appointment reminders, and more, all with a few clicks of a mouse. So let's get right to it.
A master template is essentially a group of items that can be provided to a specific type of client, for example, a weight loss client. The items that can be included in a master template include things like meal plans, messages, questionnaires, and other similar items. To create a master template, go to the Settings, choose Master Templates, and before we get started, you do have the option to add additional categories to the master templates. And once you have decided on your categories, click on New, give it a name, pick a category, and give it a description. Next, click on Create. It's usually helpful to add the number of weeks first to the template. For instance, we will add 4 weeks. After that, it's just a matter of deciding what items you want in the master template. For example, we can start with handouts. We can provide that person with information on high fiber sources on day 2. We can provide them meal plans. For instance, antioxidant might be on the first week, detox on week 2, low carb on week 3, and perhaps low sodium on week 4. You can also add messages. So we can add a welcome message on day 1. We could add a marketing message to join our Facebook group on week 2. Perhaps week 3, we can put an upcoming nutrition consult. We could also put a face picture request. And a side picture request. We can also put in questionnaires. For instance, we could give them a diet lifestyle questionnaire. And we could also have them weigh in on week 1. And perhaps at the beginning of week 4. Once your master template is complete, click on Save. You can now use this master template to issue to any clients that fit into that niche.
This concludes today's tutorial. If you're a current customer of ours, we hope that this training has helped you become more efficient and proficient in using Nutrition Maker software. If you're watching this training session as part of our 2-week trial, we would like to let you know that there is a coupon down below for 10% off should you decide to subscribe to our service. Again, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you here on future training sessions.